Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial series on my channel. I know since a long time I'm not uploading videos, but I think I will be regular now. So in this tutorial series I'm going to show you how you can build your own Android apps and install it on your mobile phones, show it to your friends and family, share it to everyone, and also how you can upload your own apps on Play Store. So let's start with the intro. As you all know, Android is created by the one and only Google. They created it for mobile devices, and in case you don't know, there are over 7 billion mobile devices on earth and 2 billion of them are using Android operating system. So there are around 2 billion people who is using Android app. So if you upload any app on Play Store, then the scope of downloading is huge. This is the chart of Android operating systems version and other kind of information according it, and also this is other chart which shows us how many devices are using which operating system in percentage. You can watch it if you want to. Version of Android OS start with the gingerbread and goes up to the Pie, which is the latest version. By the way, these two are not the operating systems. The Android operating system itself built using Java, C++ and other languages. The role of Java and C++ was main. There are too many softwares to create Android apps, but the software we are using is Android Studio, which is the official IDE for Google's Android operating system. The best thing about Android Studio is it is easy to learn, and it provides us a virtual device that we can install our apps on and run our apps. So it's easy to debugging, easy to creating. That's why we are using the Android Studio. This is it for this video. In the next video, I will teach you to create your first app on Android Studio. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the end.